Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Hopefully you're fine and you have done and completed your previous work. So beta, now you know that we have completed our all chapters. Our syllabus of English literature has been completed. Now we will start revisions. So we will start revision from our poem number 1, Owlite. Okay. So first of all you have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Wednesday 12th of August 2020. Your subject is English literature and your book is Read Now. Topic Owlite. It's a poem, you know that, and page number 1. Now we will do the reading of the poem again and I will explain again. Okay beta, as you can see I have mentioned classwork and date, which is 12, 8 and 20. Your poem name is Owlite and this is the owl, as you can see in the picture. So now we will start reading. When the pale moon rises above the sea. Pale, you know the meaning of pale, light in color. Moon rises. Rises appear or physically upward. The owl flies out of the ivy tree. Some people say that it's ivy, but it's ivy tree. This is the tree we are discussing. And the small birds quaver. Quaver? Trembling with fear. Trembling with fear. The little music quack as he goes his way by the wood and lake. What is a lake? A lake is a water surrounded by land. Surrounded by land. And his odd notes. Notes is the musical sound. Notes refers to musical sound. Echo. What is the meaning? Echo? Reflected sound. Repeating again. The farmyard through that weird old cry to with to woo. Weird, strange, and the sound of owl is to with to woo. So in this paragraph they are telling us about the owl who takes or starts flying when moons come, when it's not moons, actually it's moon, when moon comes out or rises above the sea. All the birds, mice quack and they quaver and they hit themselves, and he goes his way by the wood and lake. He fly above the wood and lake, and his sound two with two echoes or go through farmyard. They all can hear, all the animals, birds, mice, they all can hear his cry, his strange cry or his strange sound. The light is dim. What is the meaning of dim? Not bright. In the fields and lanes, and the children peep through the window panes. What is the meaning of peep? Peep means quick look. Peep means quick look, and window panes, section of window. It is a section of window, the glassy section of window. When the notes ring out in the silent night, as the owl goes by with his noiseless flight. Noiseless, without making noise. And the cheeky, naughty. What is the meaning of cheeky? Naughty. Sparrows go home to bed when two with two woo sound overhead. So the light is dim in fields and lanes. Children wants to look at the owl, so they look through the window panes. And when the notes ring out in the silent night. Notes, the sound of the owl goes night in the silent noise. Obviously night is usually silent. We don't hear much noises outside. He takes his noiseless flight without making noise. The naughty sparrows, after hearing his voice, go to their beds. Okay beta, this poem was of M.E. Sargent. So you will do the reading and send me maximum 3 minutes audio of your reading, so I came to know that you are doing reading well or not. Okay beta, this was your topic for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.